Hi guys, how are you? My name is Vanessa. This channel is about relationship Filipino and Brazilian. I'm Brazilian, my husband is a Filipino, but now he's on board of the ship, so he's not doing the videos with me, and I have some videos to record alone, so I can explain you a little bit of each things that we have of difference between Filipino and Brazilian, and I know you like this kind of video, so you can already subscribe here in our channel. We are reaching 20,000 subscribers, and it's all mostly all from the Philippines supporting our channel, and I'm very happy. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to thumbs up also, so it will help to split for more people and our channel can grow, our community. So let's get started. So today's video is about what you read here down in the title. Yes, I'm gonna tell you some similarities of Brazilian and Filipino culture, and I hope you enjoy it. Romarico just sent me a message. So the first similarity between Filipino and Brazilian is one kind of food that we have also here, okay? The kind of food is a fritada. Yes, a fritada, as I know, is this kind of dish that is chicken with potato and carrots, something like this, and it's like made, how can I say, with tomato sauce. I think it's this, right? So a fritada is something that we already eat here in Brazil. We don't have any specific name, but the name is chicken with we call frango com batata, and this is like frango ensopado, we call. Ensopado means that is with the soup, but it's not the soup really, but it's a bit like the thick sauce of the tomato sauce. So my mom used to do this for me always. It's my grandfather's favorite dish. So the fritada usually is something that we have here, not really different from our culture. I don't just correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm telling about a fritada that is the chicken or is the beef. I think it's really the chicken now. So is this a fritada, because there is menudo, there is a fritada, and there is something else that I think is with pork. Just a moment.
2000 anos depois.
I researched in the Google to see if I'm not confused about this kind of dish. And yes, the fritada is the chicken one, but for you guys you put bell pepper, right? The green one. But for us, no. Only this, that is the difference. It's not really mandatory to put the bell pepper. The fritada is one kind of similarities with the Brazilian culture and Brazilian dish. Another similarity is about the Portuguese word. We have a lot of words. I did this video here that I put here in the cards about the words that it's Tagalog that I already know, and there is some words that is really similar, like plato, because it's Spanish. So of course it will be very similar with the Portuguese. It's easy when Romarico sometimes even writes something and then he said, but this one it's Tagalog, and then I say, how come this one is also Portuguese, you know? So I think the cocina, it's like the kitchen in Tagalog is the same, cuarto is the same. I'm not sure. I just remember some of these words that when Romarico like write or something or tell in Tagalog, it's the same. I'm not sure if it's this, but out of this, watch this video that I know some Tagalog words that I learned, the little bit, a little bit that my husband teach me, because sometimes he doesn't have patience to teach me. So this one, I will show you all the words that is in Tagalog and also is in Portuguese. A lot of similarities in the vocabulary, because of course your country was colonized by Spanish, and our Portuguese, it's almost like Spanish, so it's the same. But the Portuguese have a lot to do with the Italian, French as well. So all these four languages, Italian, French, Spanish, and Portuguese, are all similar. When you listen, you can really It's like who speak Portuguese can understand a little bit. Another similarity that I'm not sure if it's all, but I feel that this look like Brazilian, is that Filipinos are very like laughing loud, something like this. They make a lot of noisy when they are together. It's like if they need to laugh about something, they give all their best to laugh about the conversation or that they're talking. And I feel this is really like Brazilian, because we are like this even in the restaurant, even in somewhere else that we are, that it's like a bit full, still we are like this. I'm not sure, I'm not generalizing people, but mostly of the Filipinos that I met, they, yes, when they are all together, they speak loud, they laugh, they are happy person, and they look like Brazilian in this situation. My husband is a bit more like he's a bit more shy than usual Filipinos. He doesn't really like to be seen or speak more louder. He's very shy guy. So I think this is but mostly of the Pinoys and Pinais that I met, yes, they laugh loud, and this is look like Brazilians. Similarity here in Brazil, that for sure you heard that we are big country. We have a lot of different cultures from the north to the south. Who is from the south are not the same culture of the north. There is really different kind of food that I don't know yet about the north. Only now I really saw that they have couscous. That is a really good food. One day I'm gonna teach here in the channel how we do the couscous, that I'm addicted, and this is not from my place. We are not used to eat this, so it's really different, the kind of food. So in some way we have also a lot of different religion, like even from some African descendants. Not me, I mean the people here in Brazil. We have also some kind of Hindu style, that is like they believe in many lives after this life. We have some different but mostly of the culture, of the Brazilian culture in Brazilian religion, they are Catholic. I grew in a Catholic family. They are not really Catholic. They are not the one that they go to the church always and they really are faithful for some, out of my mother and my auntie, they really like to worship some kind of saints. But we are not really Catholic. But after, like when I was 12 years old, I went to the church, that is the born again church, and I'm not Catholic anymore. So I baptized through my knowledge, because in my religion they believe that we should be baptized after we choose to be with Jesus, not really like a decision from our parents. So I'm born again, me and Romarico, and I'm not Catholic anymore. What is the difference? We are Christian the same. Yes, we're Christian the same, but we have some difference between the born again and the Catholic people. So, but I can say that in Brazil, mostly of the people are Catholic. So we have for sure some sense that's the same. The way how they celebrate some parties, and they have the São João, they have this, they have that. So I think it's a lot to speak about the Catholic that we have in both countries. So who are Catholic knows, and Brazilian majority are this religion. Another similarity that you guys think maybe is only Asian who eat this, not you, but Brazilian used to tell, because the Asians are the one who eat rice with something, a lot of rice, no? Even in the ship we have some it's like we have some meme that really the Asian eat a lot of rice, and it's true. I'm in love with rice after I'm at Romarico, so it's normal. But here in Brazil is not different. We also eat a lot of rice. It's like everything goes with rice in our country. Our rice is made different. It's like with garlic, it's with oil, it's with salt, so it be not that sticky. It will be like with a bit of tasty, but all the dish is in the rice company. It's like, okay, let's make one stroganoff. That is one dish here. I already teach in the channel how to make stroganoff. If you want, there is one card here showing how is this dish. Let's make stroganoff. We're gonna eat with the rice. Let's make feijoada. I also teach in the channel. We're gonna eat with rice. So in the end, everything here in Brazil is the partner is the rice. So it's not really different from our country. Everything what we eat, we need to put rice on the side. Like, let's eat feijoada today. Let's eat churrasco today. If there is no rice, it's not really our meal. The meal of the real meal, no? I'm not talking about if we eat burger, pizza, or these things that is real different. We love this kind of breads, but as a meal. But we also eat a lot of rice with the partner that it's the meat or everything, even a fritada, that's the style of Filipino. We used to eat rice every day, actually. And I already teach a lot of recipe here in the channel. We already make a lot of vlogs showing how is our rice. So that's another thing that look like similarities of between Brazilian and Filipinos. Another thing that also is similar in Brazil with the Philippines is that we have also the chicharron. Yes, we have the kind of torresmo, that is torresmo, how we call. That is our chicharron to make with the pork belly or pork fats. I don't know how it works, but we have the chicharron. Also, we have one like pulutan, like chips that we eat that calls baconzitos. That is the same as the chicharron from the Philippines. It's only not vinegar taste, but it's bacon, like baconzitos. And we have the torresmo itself, that is the small fat of the pig, the baboy. And we have torresmo, the same as the Filipinos have there. And this is kind of, okay, it's normal, but there is people who don't know. Another last one that I found, for sure there is so many, I can make part 2 if you like this kind of video. You can comment down for me to bring more similarities, but I'm not sure if I can find more, but I will try. And this another thing is about the lechon. Not kawali, the lechon. The small pig with the apple in the mouth. Yes, we have this kind of culture as well, but usually we do on Christmas time. We don't do like, there is a party, let's have a party, so we kill, not me, because today I cannot see these things, I'm a bit against, like we kill one baboy, but yes, we have this perfectly on Christmas, the lechon with the apple in his mouth like this, waiting for for the people eat in the Christmas dinner. So it's normal here in Brazil as well, and I think this is also something curious that maybe you don't know about. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for that I bring only few stuffs to talk about this kind of similarities, but it's what I really found. Out of this, I'm trying again, that's why I'm gonna make part 2. And just for you to know that Romarico it's coming home on June 9, and I'm very excited. I'm already planning many videos for us to do. Don't forget that our love story will be together, like we will make together this video. So for sure, when he arrives, this video will be the one that we gonna upload here for you, because I know you are very interested. Of course, our vlogs, routine, and our diary vlog together as a Filipino and Brazilian. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy it. And one more time, please subscribe and thumbs up for us. Okay? See you next video. Bye.